going to be our second object for number 8 and our final one for this Introduction to Autodesk Fusion assignment. So we're going to go ahead and start off with a very similar process that we've done in all the other videos. You're probably noticing kind of the process we use to create these things. Always starting with creating a sketch, and we're going to choose this first front work plane here to be able to work off of. I'm going to go ahead and create a 2-point rectangle. Click on the origin. This is going to have a height of 1.25 with a width of 2 inches. That's going to go ahead and set that in there. I'm going to go ahead and finish the sketch. I'm going to click extrude, and I'm going to go ahead and type in 1.25. So this is going to extrude ourselves a block here that we're going to kind of work off of. So we're going to do some subtractive modeling. So in order to do that, I'm going to create a new sketch. I want to make sure I click on the face of the block, not on the orange work planes, but on the face of the block here. So notice where the cursor is. I'm going to click, and I'm going to draw two 2-point rectangles. I'm going to draw one here off of this corner. These are going to be 0.5. I'm going to press the tab key to go to the other box, 0.5 by 0.5. I'm going to press enter. And I'm going to go ahead and do it one more time off this other side. Same exact measurements for both of these. 0.5 by 0.5. So now we have 2 of these that we're going to use to kind of help with creating our cutouts. So I'm going to go ahead and select Finish Sketch. Select Extrude. This time I'm going to pick both of these shapes at the same time just to increase our efficiency. And I'm going to drag back into our shape. It's going to go back negative 1.25, or you could also select distance all. That'll do the same thing too. And say OK. So there you can kind of see the top portion of our block is going to get formed there. And now all I got to do is do one little cutout down here at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and click Create Sketch. Click the front face one more time. I'm going to go ahead and do a 2-point rectangle. I want to make sure I want to base it off the bottom edge. Kind of get roughly about the size and shape I want it to be. And then I can go ahead and grab the sketch dimension tool. And what I need to do here is that if I do the height of this is going to be 0.25. Notice how the edge of this is sticking outside of our block. So this can kind of be fixed in one of 2 ways. First off, I need to define how wide this is. I'm going to get the width of this, and this is going to be only 1.5. So still hanging out there. So here's what I'm going to do to kind of correct this. Is I'm going to click this left side, and then I'm going to click the left edge of the rectangle, and right now it's set at 0.545, and I want to make that 0.25. And you're going to see it's going to shift that whole rectangle in and place it where it needs to be. So I'm going to go ahead, now that I've got this fully constrained, I can finish the sketch. I can select Extrude, pick that little rectangle here at the bottom, and do the same thing. Drag back, go over here to the extent type, say all. I could type in a distance if I wanted to, but in this case I just want it to go all the way through. I'm going to cut through and I'm going to select OK. And this right here will get us our shape. So I'm going to click on Modify and go to Appearance. I did a different color last time. I'm going to try green on this one. So drag green over, and I'll hit Close. And we'll go ahead and save. This one will be number 8, second object. And we'll go ahead and select the Save button.